Alright, thanks for tuning in. We are here on a beautiful day. The boys are having a little rough time. Jet recently has broken his collarbone, so he's a little under the weather. Today we got some chores to do. Move the goats, just clean up, get ready for the week to come. One thing that's pretty cool I want to show you, we have a Japanese beetle trap and it is loaded and we're just about to feed the chickens. That whole bag is full. So these chickens are going to get a nice meal.
Why do they have holes in them to breathe?
Alright, let's hop over, guys.
But it is off?
Yeah, fence is off.
Daddy, I didn't hold it last time.
Well, you guys can take turns dumping it, okay? Get ready.
Oh, oh, oh.
Alright, buddy, just dump it right in their food.
Dad,
You come in?
Dad, I thought we were going to put it in water.
Not today. Just dump it. Some will fly away, but then most of them they'll catch them. Come in, Rem? No, right in the food, buddy.
Oh. Whoops.
It's alright. We'll get them. Nice. Let Jetty dump them, okay? Here you go, bud. Good job, guys. You want to come over, Rem? Nice.
Yeah, bud.
Look at these chickens. They're already going at them.
Daddy, those chickens are getting these guys. Daddy, those chickens are getting these guys. Hey, Dad.
Okay, cool. Awesome. So that bucket is pretty much half full.
With little worms in it.
Get some worms too. Must be some flies.
Worms.
Alright, well they're going to have a free meal this morning. Good protein, we're going to get some great eggs. What else we got to do today? The goats, right? Let's start working on the goats. Alright, so we got the bag hung back up. And we're going to be moving the goats. Now, one thing that we love about the goats, you alright, buddy? You alright? One thing we love about the goats is they work. This was as high as the fence, and they have absolutely cleared this. This was as high as, if you can see, right outside the fence here. Now, they have used this up, which is great. Now it's time to move them, give them food, and just allow them to be happy. What's up, buddy? Well, we gotta let the seeds grow. That's the other thing. We are flooded with sunflowers. It is awesome. The wildflower garden is going great. Right here, you can see, look at all these butterflies right now. Look at that. Try to zoom in on it. Some bees everywhere. We got the bees going. A lot of pollinators. There's some bees right there on these sunflowers. Awesome. So right now we're loaded with flowers. Our peppers are going good. The winter crops are starting to come in. We are getting flooded with baby asparagus. We're obviously won't be able to do anything with them for a couple years, but that is starting to go good. Our blueberries are all done. The rhubarb, first year rhubarb, coming in great. We're not going to do anything with that. But it's good to see things growing. Peppers are coming in. We're going to have tons of peppers here shortly. Everything stalled out, but once we put that biofish in, get some nutrients in the soil, things are going great. The chips are breaking down. So you got that constant nutrients coming down from the breakdown of the chips, amending the soil. So that is going awesome. So things are moving. Right now we're having a little issue with our farm cat. It is stuck all the way up in these pine trees. So hopefully it comes down or someone's gonna be climbing.
Does she climb up back up the tree when she does this?
Skip, go inside.
Come on, Skip.
Once inside, let her go.
Woo! Alright, so let's go see if we can move the goats. No hassle. Let's try to keep them out of the garden. Last time we moved them over here, they started eating our corn crop. So let's see what we can do. Do this quickly. All the kids seem to be really fussy today. So let's see what we can do. That's what happens. So, they're all a blessing, but sometimes they just have those days. The grown-ups do too. It's just babies cry. We gotta get the fence down. We got the feed. Got the treats to get them in here. What we're gonna be doing is moving where I showed you. We're gonna be putting them under these trees, so we don't have to weed whack. They're gonna eat everything for us. All right, the goats are out, bud. Let's try to see if we can get them over here. Oh, you're in the flowers. We're gonna put them underneath the trees, buddy. Okay? So you don't want to dump the feed. Let's get them out of the flowers. Good job. Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
These flowers are so pretty.
I know, huh?
There's some yellow ones I haven't seen before.
They're all pretty. A lot of bees and butterflies, pollinators. That's awesome. Good job, Weston. It's all right. Keep walking. Walk them over there, bud. Mama's getting the fence.
Hey, I can't do it. Ugh. It's so heavy.
All right, Rem, can I put you down?
Yeah. That they can let me feel their horns.
Yeah. You're getting real friendly. What about Lloyd?
Lloyd.
We should mow this. Whatever they didn't.
Yeah, but not down there. It's a swamp.
The swamp down there? Okay. Mow it. Maybe we can work on the shelter too. Cool. Get Daisy. Alright, so our goal on this farm is to let our animals do the work for us. Now obviously they're not going to be able to do everything, but the things that would save us time, maybe like weed whacking or mowing or stirring up compost, certain stuff like that, let the animals do it so we can have time to do other things. And this is an example one. What do you got?
Behind the spider web.
Oh man. Alright, let's get this set up.
Now the floor wheels.
Thank you, bud. That helped big time.
I can use this for
So
my
Lloyd can get in too.
I can
So we have got everything set up. So they are going to be our workforce in this area right now. They did a great job over there. I'm going to come back, mow over it. They're going to do this. And then, this is pretty rocky over here, so I don't know what we're going to be doing. Talked about cutting these trees down, but at least for now, trying to clean some stuff up, make it look good, and move on. Feed them, get work done. 2-in-1, can't beat it. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. We're growing. We got a lot of things going on. God's moving things around here, so we're really blessed. We just appreciate you watching. Thank you.